So when you're dip buying, you want to aim as close as you can towards support. So you would want to dip buy somewhere near here in this level, somewhere down here in this level, near support, okay, because you're near the green, that becomes a green line. As soon as it becomes a green line, that's now support. So as soon as you start seeing that become, once you break that, this becomes support now, okay? We're seeing that here, all right? Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna screenshot this later and show you how that is on the chart. The same chart, but we're gonna screenshot it on TD Ameritrade. So that way you folks can see what I'm talking about on the actual chart. Same lines, same drawing. So that way you understand where support and resistance is at, all right? Also, you always wanna judge support and resistance by the previous support and resistance. So if this was resistance here, and over here, gosh, if this was resistance over here, okay, then this will be resistance here. So now as soon as you break it, you break higher, okay, that now becomes support. That's how you always judge it. You judge it by the past. That's how you judge your levels until you have clear skies. Once we're at, this is the all-time high here at 75. Once we break that, we don't know where the next resistance level's at. You don't know, it's just going to keep going until eventually there's somebody who sells out. Once somebody sells out and gives rid of their supply, then that's when supply starts coming in, and then they're starting to become resistance, because resistance starts to come in when there's more supply coming in. People start selling off, But it can also be a fake artificial sell-off with synthetic shares. But we'll get into another topic. That is like basically synthetic shares, naked shares, basically cheating, okay? That's pushing the stock price down, all right? But I'll explain that in another video and in another segment. But in the meantime, I'm just talking basic supply and demand with AMC, okay? So as a dip buyer, you want to be close to support as possible. And if you're a short seller, you want to be as close to resistance as possible. Because if you try to, let's say you're a short seller and you try to short it down here, the stock's going to turn against you. You're going to start losing a ton of money. You don't want to do that.